I know since we've started, we've saved 150,000 plates and bowls from landfill. I'm Will from Green My Plate. I'm the operations manager and we've been in operation since 2019. Our mission is to rid events of single-use food packaging. So we do that by providing reusable plates, bowls and now cups to events so we can wash them and reuse them on site, reducing all the waste. To bank with Bank Australia means that we're aligned with someone that shares the same goals and values as us, and to be with a bank that cares about the planet as well is obviously a big plus for us. The 22 community grant helped us by allowing us to buy 20,000 of these. So now we've added cups to our range. So it allows us to reduce more waste at events and go to different types of events as well. There's a lot of businesses like us doing little things, and all those little things can make a big change.